I'm charging my batteries for my power saws and stuff. Mike's wife, I went to see Mike yesterday, and she took me over to a house. They bought a house, and then they were going to fix it up, but then Mike got sick, and now they're just trying to fix it up enough to sell it. And she got a hole in the back of the house where the air conditioner came out. I told her I'd go over and fix that hole, so I'm going to need some power tools, and there ain't no electricity outside there where that's at, so I'm going to charge up a few of these batteries here for my different tools. I'll make sure they have plenty of... That one's hot already, so that one's good. I'll make sure I got plenty of heat when I go over there, plenty of tools, I should say. That one's charging. So I got two batteries here in this saw. So while I was standing out in the barn, I had an idea, and this is brilliance right here. You're going to love this. So if you look up there where that golf sign is, you'll see I got two broken windows up there. And I got one window that's broke here. What happens, we get such powerful winds that they blow the windows out of the barn and stuff. And I was thinking, dang, I don't want to fix that today. And I don't want to put a piece of board over it that you can't see through. And it occurred to me, I got all these windows back here. I could put a window inside that window to keep the snow from coming in, and then I could still see through it, and then I wouldn't have to fix it right away. And I got windows. I got windows back here. This far back here. I got windows just sitting back here. I got all them windows over there on the side of that building, but I got windows over here. They're just sitting out here, not doing nothing. See, right here. We got windows right here. They're getting pinched. They done got pinched into there by that wall. Let's just move a little. I don't know if I can get them out or not. I don't know what's the safest way to get around there, whether I can get up these stairs without killing myself. This thing still ain't fell apart. I figure it would have by now. Oh, the joy. Yeah, these snow-covered steps, that's real safety right there. You think I can get over in here without falling? Doubt it. Oh yeah, see, these windows are stuck in here because that wall has moved again. Oh, there's one. Got one right there. Maybe I can get it out like that. Guess I can always go take one off that building. Another idea is I might have some plexiglass around here somewhere. Had some. What is that right there? Is that glass or plexi? I think that's glass right there. Huh. I might have some plexiglass out yonder, and where the truck's at. Let me go look out there. My piece of red stuff got blowed up. You have to lay back down before the snow covers it up. Wind been working on it too. So we gotta stay there till the snow covers it up anyway. Huh. I gotta look at inside that back door over there. Oh, the joy. This is where the rat rod sleeps. Oh, yeah. There's some nice big windows there. I don't want to use one of them. I don't see no little windows in here. I always yank one off the side of the garage. Let's see if I got plexiglass. If not, I'll take some measurements. Oh, my ears are cold. Woo! Mercy sakes, great ball of fire. Snow's blowing in my face. Mercy sakes. Oh, and the back door's wide open. Look at that. See, that's what happens over there. That door latch don't hold. If I go out and I don't. It used to hold, but then the house shifted. Not the door latch, it's the door sill's all crooked. Oh, those of you that don't own an old house don't appreciate things like that. Let's see. Might have something here. There's a screen. Let me see if I got a piece of plexiglass out there. I think it might be over here where the Crosley is. Snowflakes are getting in my eyes. There they are. Yeah, there's some plexiglass in it. What this is here, there's some leftover plexiglass from where I did that church cross. Now that might be enough to cover both those windows with a little bit of trim work. Yeah. There's Mr. Crosley right here. He's sleeping. Bless his little heart. Bless his little heart. He's a good one too. Y'all might get the grand tour because I think I'm gonna need to get up those stairs, which ain't that easy because I got a little bit of a obstacle course here. Plus, I ain't got no guarantee them stairs won't collapse out from under me either. So, okay, y'all hang on tight now. We're gonna risk our lives here. Here we go. Hadn't fell in yet. Hadn't broke any bones yet. Oh, some of y'all ain't never been up here. Yeah. You're up in the haunted part now. Yep. Let's see. There's some windows right there. So, I'm guessing I could take a piece of this here plexiglass, cut it and put it right there. I need a measurement. A measurement. Not the same as a thin mint. I'll turn y'all around. Sit you up here maybe. I'll stay up here for me a second. Slow down now. What I might do is go down there and get that little, I was holding that little battery powered saw a while ago. I'd go down and get that and cut that and shoot some screws in the upper corner. I'm gonna cut y'all off while I go get that saw. Oh, the joy. So after I gave it some thought, it made more sense to me to measure that and take it down there and cut it. It did bring the saw up here. So that's what I did. Let's go see if we can get some screws in it. And see if it'll fit and everything. I should have cut that about a 1/4 inch shorter. So I'm going to take it out, take it back down there and cut it again. And then come right back with it. That just goes to show you though what an exact measurer I am. Well, that'll help. It ain't perfect, but it's workable. I'll go downstairs and make one for that other window. Oh, joy. Okay, then we're gonna call that good. It's cold enough so I feel a little chilly today. So I'm gonna go back in now. But I got a little piece of plexiglass over here. One of the things I found out is plexiglass don't drill very well. Try to drill a hole in it, you wind up breaking it. Oh well, these things happen. Talk to y'all soon. Whee! Oh, the joy.